Hi, welcome to my YouTube page. As you guys can see here, I have the Dji RS2 Pro combo here, and what I'll be doing here today is for us to unbox this together. We need to see what is inside this. So guys, join me through this and let's check what we have in this. As you can see, I'm trying to unbox this now. As you can see, what I have in here is just the manual alone. So our major concern has to do with this. Let's keep this here. GGR. Can you guys see? GGI Pro. This is the combo pack, which I'll be unboxing. I'll be unboxing for you guys. This is the first layer. So what I have here, the first layer. Sorry, I've opened it before. This was kind of wrapped, but I've opened it to charge the battery, which I have done. So this is the battery, which I have charged. It took about 2 hours or more than, or it depends on your on the strength of your charger. But the charger I use that of my iPhone to charge it. So the battery has been charged. So I'm yet to put it to use. So that's that. So here I have the phone handler, which is for you to hang your smartphone, iPhone, Android, and the likes. So in here we have the release plates. This one is a quick release plate. Can you guys see? So that's that. Okay. So this is more like your holder, which is also your tripod, which will fit into this. Just lock it here, screw it this way. Okay, I guess I'm getting this. Lock it here. Can you guys see? Which is equally the base. So that's that. So let's move to the next phase. Putting this back. This is going back to this place. So here, this one is for the handle. You know, we have one handle this way, and if you want to hold it up this way, so you screw this. It's the body. It will be like this. So this will come to this place, which will be like this. So for you to hold it, you know, there's the battery grip will be here. For you to hold it with ease and all. So that's that. So let's move to the next one. So the next one, here we have let me open this compartment. Okay, here we have this is for the to pull focus. This spot for pulling focus. This is another plate which will work with your focus ring as well. And then here we have, okay, this works with this DSLR. For you wrap it around your DSLR for you to pull your focus. Okay, this is more like this is the focus rod, which will be mounted to this one. It will be mounted to this one, but I'm yet to do that. Maybe subsequently in the next video I'm going to do that, but for now I'm just showing you guys what we have. Okay, this is equally for to mount your focus ring. So I'll be putting this back to this place. Okay, so this is our eye ribbon. This so this is for adjusting this is for adjusting your, what's it called, I think it's for the, it's more like a strap. So I guess I'm yet to really find out what this does, but in due time I'll get a hold of it. Okay, these are our different different for the base plate and all. So this is our eye ribbon. For you to use the eye ribbon, you have to pull it this way. So this eye ribbon has been charged. So for you to charge it, you need to plug it to this end. Plug it to this end for you to charge it. So I charge it for about 2 hours, or thereabout, about 2 hours, which I use in charging it. So I advise you to charge it before you start using it, which is very advisable for you to do that. So that's that. Let's pack this compartment back before we go to the ultimate DJI. Before we go to the ultimate itself. So on this compartment, okay, something that's going on there. Okay. So on the other compartments, which is what I'm trying to navigate now, I need to put this forward a bit. Yeah, this is what we've been waiting for. Oh, the almighty DJI. So I'm here to walk around it. So everything is equally still intact. So there's unlock this. Okay, this is locked. This. Okay, it's open. It's not locked yet. So this.